Are you still using dish soap or isopropyl alcohol to clean the printing surface? What if I tell you there is something better? The product for this video was sent to me free of charge for testing and possible review. However, no one has any influence on the content of the video and no one is paying me for it. If you like my work, please subscribe here on YouTube or on my social media and share my videos. The development of this cleaner has already started in the first quarter of 2022. The creators wanted to create a cleaner that would be non-flammable, would not smell, but most importantly, one that would work as expected by 3D printers. In November 2023, a Czech company Inchema, under the brand name Alpha Print, launched this all-in-one cleaner for 3D printer print pads. They later expanded their portfolio to include products for resin printers, but that's not what today's video is about. In fact, when my phone started ringing in early 2024 from a friend asking if I wanted to try a new cosmetic for 3D printers, my answer was no. Yet they sent me this product to at least try it out and possibly provide feedback. At first, I just overlooked this cleaner. However, in the second half of 2024, a lot of things changed and I started using the cleaner not only myself, but also by my partner almost before every print. It is very easy to make the print pad dirty. Just touch your skin, your hair, or basically anything else and then touch the print pad. The print pad has to be then cleaned. Most mortals probably still use dish soap or isopropyl alcohol to clean the print pad. Dish soap works well, but working with water near a 3D printer is definitely not a good idea. Washing the print pad underwater every time you want to clean it isn't very convenient either. Isopropyl alcohol works well, but it smells. Plus, it is a flammable substance that needs to be treated with respect. Even on a cold print pad, it evaporates quickly and the fumes can give you a very bad headache. That's where this cleaner from Alpha Print comes in. The sprayer makes it easy to apply and the mesh creates a thick foam that helps clean all types of print pads. The cleaner is non-flammable, odorless and can handle grease, 3D lac, Dimafix, as well as other dirt. Evaporation of the cleaner is significantly slower than with isopropyl alcohol. This gives you plenty of time to clean the entire print pad. According to my test, but also to normal use, I can confirm that the pad is really clean after cleaning and the prints stick perfectly on it. I even tried such a nasty thing as pouring vegetable oil on the print pad. Of course, the print had no chance whatsoever of sticking to the print pad. After cleaning the print area with this cleaner and reprinting, the print held as it should. I have used this cleaner many times indeed, and there is still plenty of cleaner in the original half-liter bottle to last me for many months to come. If you are interested in the product, I would recommend checking off your 3D printer accessories retailer's website or Google the product name.